I am Sibi Lucas. I am the Managing Director of Sibi Business Solutions Private Limited. We have launched a web portal called www.beanentrepreneur.com. This portal will support budding as well as existing entrepreneurs to sort out all their problems like tax consultants, funding requirements. This is the only portal in India which has come where all these support systems are available in single platform. For example, if a gentleman wants to start a company, he doesn't know where the company secretary is sitting, he actually doesn't know what type of taxes are applicable, he doesn't know from where he can get funds. So to starting a business, we thought that there should be a support system, and the beanentrepreneur.com is a perfect solution for that. To become a member of beanentrepreneur.com, you just have to log into www.beanentrepreneur.com and register your details. If you are a student who wants to become an entrepreneur after passing out of your college, or you are working in somewhere and you want to start a business and you are having a business idea, you can write your business idea to us. We have got experts who will give you feedback about your business viability. We also will forward your business idea to a funding agency anywhere in your part of the country, and they will also tell you whether a fund can be arranged for this, whether some seed funding or angel funding can be arranged. Then once your business idea is approved, we will tell you how to register your company, what type of taxes are applicable, where the market is there. So we got a perfect networking systems for that. Now the question is that where we are going to charge for this service or not? No, this is going to be an absolutely free service. How it works like this. You become a member of beanentrepreneur.com, and we will direct you to the concerned consultants for your respective problems, and the consultant will sort out your problem, and he will charge for the tangible benefit you have taken from the consultant. All these consultants are our business associates, and we are having our revenue comes from our business consultants. So the services what we are providing to our members are absolutely free of cost. The most amazing thing of our website portal is that all members will get one business idea every week. What business idea? These are basically successful business stories of different entrepreneurs from different sectors who has done this business successfully in some part of the country. We ensure that the stories what you are mailing to you are suitable to be emulated in other part of the country. So by becoming a member of beanentrepreneur.com, you get business ideas and you will get support for your business. One more thing what we are going to do is that we will give you entrepreneurs meet. That means if there is a unique business idea in Hyderabad or in Bangalore or in Delhi, we will arrange entrepreneurs meet at least once in a month. We will identify a potential entrepreneur who is doing perfectly good, and we will arrange the interesting members of our portal to meet them, interact with them, and this will happen on a monthly to monthly basis. This information we will directly mail it to our members, as well as you can see this information in our website. Now we have just started this around a week back. Now we are having around 500 2,000 people with us, and since now we are expecting these numbers to go up to 10,000, 20,000 in next 2 to 3 months. Now the question is that what is going to be the business potential of this beanentrepreneur.com? Now let us see. In India, on average, 8 lakh engineering students are coming out every year, and approximately 2 lakh MBA students are coming out of the year. From where all these people will get jobs? Either our government nor any big business houses will be able to give job to all of these people. So we are expecting all what the government is expecting all these graduate students, all these students who are come out of the professional colleges to start their own business. So the potential of being an entrepreneur as a business, as entrepreneur to the entrepreneurial ecosystem is very great. We are expecting since our work, this is going to be an all India portal where all metros, all big cities are going to be covered. We are expecting at least 1,000 to 1,500 support entrepreneurs coming up every month, and that is a business potential we are looking at it.